Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, as you all know from last few days we are doing chapter 6. In chapter 6 you have completed exercise 6A, B and C, and in those chapter we have completed type 1 in which one monomial was common. In type 2 binomial terms was common. In type 3 we were arranging the terms of the polynomial to factorize them. Now in this type we will use these two identities. These two identities you also have used in previous exercise too. So the first identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square will be equals to a plus b whole square. If in between we have minus sign like a square minus 2ab plus b square, this will be equals to a minus b square. For example, if we have x square minus 4x plus 4, right? This is in the form of a square plus b square. This is b na. So 4 can be written as 2 square b square, and mid one will be minus 2 into a into b. b is 2, right? Which is also equals to x square minus 4x plus 4, and you can also write it as a minus b ka whole square, that means x minus 2 ka whole square, right? So we will do similar question in exercise 60. So let's start exercise 60. In exercise 60, which are perfect trinomial squares? हमें पहले पता करना है which are perfect trinomial squares. So we will use the identity. This is plus sign, so we will use the identity of plus. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b ka whole square, right? So let's check it. A square, if we compare these two, if we compare this by this, a square will be a square and b square will be 16, right? So we can also write it as a square को ऐसे लिखेंगे, b square को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 4 4s are 16. It means 4 raised to the power 2, and in between it should be 2 into a into b is 4, right? In between it should be a square plus 4 2s are 8a plus 16, but in the question they have given 10a, right? So this is not the trinomial square because in between there should be 8a. between में क्या होना चाहिए था? 8a. So a square plus 10a plus 16 is not trinomial square, right? Next, let's check it. Compare it with a square. In between we have minus sign, so use the identity of minus. Minus 2ab plus b square will be equals to a minus b whole square, right? So here this can be written as x square. So here x is a plus b square. So 4 can be written as 2 square, right? Now in between there should be 2 into a means x, b means 2. So let's see what we get here. X square minus 2 2s are 4, x plus 2 2s are 4. But in the question there was 5x and we are getting according to the identity 4x. So given polynomial is not the trinomial square, right? So x square minus 5x plus 4 is not trinomial square, right? Next, we will use the identity of minus. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square, right? Students, whether we use identity of a minus b square or we use the identity of a plus b square, in both the cases, a plus b square, in both these cases we are getting plus sign here, right? But in the question we have minus sign here. दोनों ही आइडेंटिटी में this can be plus or minus, but this always remains plus, right? So this is not the trinomial square, right? This is your answer. Next part, we will use the identity of plus a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square, right? This 36d square can be written as 6 are 36, d multiply d means d square, so you can write it as 6d whole square, right? Plus x square b square, and midterm should be 2 into a. What is a here? 6d and b, right? So multiply it. 6d square plus 6 2s are 12 dx plus x square. In between what we are getting? 12 dx, but there was 13 dx. So according to identity this is not correct. So this is not the trinomial square. So right here. So 36d square plus 13dx plus x square is not perfect trinomial square, right? Next question is 49m square plus 140mn plus 100n square. Again use the identity of plus a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square, right? So this can be written as 49m square 7m whole square, because if you will multiply 7m by 7m you will get 49m square, plus 100n square can be written as 100n whole square, plus in between this is 2 into a is 7m into b is 10n, right? So let's calculate it. 7 sevens are 49m square, 10 sevens are 70, multiply to 140mn plus 100n square, right? This is equals to this given polynomial, right? And this is also following the identity, so we can also write it as, हम इसको और कैसे लिख सकते हैं, a which is 7m plus b 10n whole square, right? So this is the perfect trinomial square. So answer will be yes. Students, बस आपको ये चेक करना है, is it following the identity of plus or minus or not, right? If it is following then yes, otherwise no. Now question number B, fill in the missing terms making the perfect trinomial square. It means missing term should be according to the perfect trinomial square identity. And what is it? This is of minus na, so we will use the identity of minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square, right? So here a square is equals to, a किसके इक्वल आ रहा है, x square के plus b square which is 49. b square is also equals to 49, right? And we can also write it as 7 raised to the power 2. 7 sevens are 49. So write it as b square 7 square. Now the middle term should be, middle term क्या होनी चाहिए? 2 into a into b, right? So write here 2 into a is x and b is 7. So this is x square minus 7 2s are 14x plus 7 7s are 49. So they were asking about this term, which is question mark here. And what is it? This is 14x, right? So what is your answer? 14x. Next, again use the identity of minus. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square, right? Now a square is equals to x square minus 25 can be written as, 25 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 5s are 25, it means 5 square. So write here 5 square, right? And in between this should be 2ab, minus 2ab na. So right here minus is already given. 2 into a is x and b is 5 now. Solve it. X square minus, multiply them. 2 5s are 10 x plus 5 5s are 25. They were asking about the middle term, which is question mark here. And what is it? 10x. So what is your answer? Your answer is 10x. Next question is this: blank plus 16x plus 64. First of all, this 64 can be written as 8 square. We will use the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a plus b whole square, right? So b square is 64, so I can write it as 8 square. Middle term will be 2 into a is not given, multiply b. What is b? 8. Now students, this middle term they have given in the question, and according to the identity which we have used, middle term is this, right? So both should be equal ना. सो हमने तो बिकॉज क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग ही किया है, हमने बी के अकॉर्डिंग ही किया है, बी जो वैल्यू गिवन थी उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो हमारी वैल्यू आई है वो ये आई है, बट इनके अकॉर्डिंग क्या है? ये है. सो 2 इंटू ब्लैंक इंटू 8, इन्होंने क्या गिवन है, किसके इक्वल है? 16x. So what should be x here? Because 8 2s are 16, we are getting. What is remaining? X. So x should be there. We should multiply it by x, right? So we will put here x. And student, if a is x and we write here a square, so we can write here x square. Clear? So the value of question mark will be x square. Your answer is x square. Now students, today we have completed question A and B of exercise 60. In next class we will start with question C. Lot of practice is required in these questions, so practice as much as possible. If you have doubt in any question, ask me personally. Thank you. Have a good day.